Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can multiply two mixed fractions without using any calculator. We have 2 whole number 3 over 5 times 1 whole number 5 over 6. But before we begin, you know the deal already. Pause the video and try first. And if you are new here, consider subscribed and also don't forget to like this video. Now let's get started. Now, one thing you should note is that you can't just multiply this two whole number, 3 over 5, straight away by this, okay? But what you have to do is to convert these mixed fractions into improper fraction. What do I mean? You are supposed to convert these fractions in the form a over b, where a is greater than b, and then b is never equal to 0, okay? So in this video, I'm going to show you two ways that you can convert mixed fraction in the form a over b, where a is greater than b, in other words, improper fraction, okay? Beginning with the first approach, this mixed fraction you are seeing here has two parts, okay? We have the whole part, which is 2, and then we have the fractional part, which is 3 over 5. Right. Now this 2 whole number 3 over 5 is the same as 2 plus 3 over 5. Okay? And these 2 could be written as 10 over 5 then plus 3 over 5. Now you can see we have the same denominators. So I'm just going to write one of them as the LCM, then sum the numerators. Okay? So we have here to be 13. Right. Now let's focus on this mixed fraction. This one also has two parts. We have the whole part to be 1, then we have the fractional part, which is 6. And if you combine them, we have this. Okay? Then this one we are seeing here could be written as 6 over 6, which is 1, right? Then plus 5 over 6. Since the denominators are the same, I'm just going to write one of them as the LCM, then sum the numerators. So we have here to be 11. Right. So this is one of the ways that you can change mixed fractions into improper fraction. Okay? Now let's begin with the second approach. From the second approach, what you have to do is to multiply the denominator of the fractional part by the whole part. Okay? So we have here to be multiplication sign. Then the results that you get, you just add it to the numerator. Okay? So we have here to be plus. Right? So we have 5 times 2 is 10 plus 3, which is 13, okay? All divided by 5, and we have the 5 over here, right? Now let's focus on this. From here, you just multiply this 6 by 1, so we have 6 times 1, which is still 6, plus 5, which is 11, divided by the denominator of the fractional part, which is 6. And from the problem, we are to multiply. So what you have to do is to multiply this 1 by this, okay? So we have 13 over 5 times 11 over 6. Now, if you look at these two fractions multiplying, you can't do any cancellation, right? So what you have to do is to multiply the numerator part. Then after that, you multiply the denominator part, okay? So we have 13 times 11 divided by 5 times 6, okay? 13 times 11 is 143, divided by 5 times 6 is 30. Right. And the problem is in mixed form, so you have to change your answer into mixed fraction. Okay, so we have 143 divided by 30. 30 goes into 143 4 times. 4 times 30 is 120. Now let's take 120 from 143. Okay, so we have 3 here, then 2. 30 cannot go into 23, so we just end here, right? This is what we call the quotient, which represents the whole part of the mixed fraction. Then 30 is the divisor, which is the denominator of the fractional part. Then we have this one to be the remainder, which is the numerator of the fractional part, okay? So putting everything together, we have 4 whole number, 23 over 30. And this is our final answer. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Have a nice day and see you again on the next video.